How to tag people on Instagram story without showing it. So in today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to tag someone in Instagram story without showing it. After you open your phone now, swipe your Instagram feed to right and off to open your camera section. So after you come to this story section, as you can see now, you can go ahead now and tap on this camera icon to take a picture, or you can tap on this section to select an image. So for me, I'll just go ahead and take take a picture of this watch. So as you can see now, after you take a picture or a video, now tap on this. As you can see now, tap on this sticker icon to tag some people. So tap on this mention. So in this section now, you can go ahead and type in the people that you want to tag or the people that you want to mention on your Instagram story. So I'll just go ahead and type in the people name. So if you start typing the people now, it will give you suggested people. So go ahead and choose the person. You can tag up to 20 people on any Instagram story. After you, as can see now, you type the text like this. Now tap on the text once. Tap on the text once. So as you can see now, it changed the background of the text and it makes the text to white. So now zoom in the text, make the text bigger like this, and now drag the text to, as you can see now, drag dimension to up. As you can see now, now I drag it to upside. As you can see now, now here is some of the background of the mention or tag people, but now as you can see now, nobody can be able to see it on the image. As you can see now, now you can go ahead and upload your story without just showing how many people you tag on your Instagram story, but the tag people are still existing since here is the background of the tag people. That's it guys on how to tag someone on Instagram story without showing it. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.